Hey! Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Drop it!
Not all police calls end quietly. These are 3 of the most intense police encounters you haven't seen. Let's begin in Douglas County, Colorado, February 2025. 23-year-old Nevaeh Crowley Sanders opens fire, shooting another woman in the chest and foot.
Everybody line, can you get it? Across the street!
The address of your emergency.
Hi, yes, I'm at Main Event Entertainment in Highlands Ranch. We just heard gunshots from inside the building. We just heard gunshots from the building. Everybody's running.
Okay, do you know how many people are involved?
We're not sure. We just heard a lot of gunshots, and now people are exiting the building.
How many gunshots did you hear?
We heard a lot. It was like too many to count. It was at least 10.
Her half-brother, Jalen Sebron, emerges moments later, armed with a pistol fitted with an extended magazine. As deputies arrive on scene, Sebron is seen pointing the weapon toward fleeing civilians in the parking lot. Despite multiple commands to drop the gun, he turns the weapon toward one of the officers. The deputy has only seconds to react and fires.
I'll be around code 3. Shots fired.
Hey! Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Drop it! Shots fired.
Sebron is struck multiple times and dies at the scene. Nevaeh Crowley Sanders, arrested and charged with attempted first-degree murder and felony assault. Deputy involved, cleared of all wrongdoing. His response was ruled justified and heroic. October 2023. Bismarck police respond to a trespassing call at a church. Officers arrive and find 34-year-old Rachel Galstad sitting inside her SUV. She refuses to exit the vehicle and appears agitated. After several verbal attempts, officers try to remove her from the car.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
No.
299, keep fleeing.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car!
Now!
299, she almost struck me.
Get out of the car! Shots fired! You're hit! Show your hands!
299, give me Metro, she struck me. Shots fired.
Show your hands! Show your hands!
Back up! No, back up!
Show me your hands!
299 headquarters. Go ahead. 1140 South 12th Street, Natalie Shelter. There's a white Chevy Equinox at the church beside the Natalie. Hey.
Hi, what's your name, ma'am?
Why are you calling? Why?
We got called to come check on you. They were concerned.
There's nobody concerned.
There was. We got a phone call.
For
What's going on today?
who did you get a call from?
Okay. I don't know. It was an anonymous caller saying there was a white.
I know
Trooper
that's
sitting
what
here.
they keep doing that. You know they did that in Nebraska with my children. They keep calling in false reports.
Okay.
Nothing. I don't think that it's okay for people.
I can't help it that people call, and it's my job to come respond when we have a call in to come check on people. Okay. Now my concern is coming out of my concern.
Your concern is you know everybody that
My
I'm dealing with.
concern is that the car smells heavily of marijuana. When's the last time you smoked any marijuana in here?
Other people have smoked marijuana in here, and I don't want to get into that because then they're calling you on me.
Other people have, you don't smoke any marijuana?
I have medical marijuana. I had my card.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I had one.
Do you have one? Current? No. Okay. Have you step outside of the vehicle here?
No, you're not.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
No.
299, she's fleeing.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car!
Now!
299, she almost struck me. Get out of the car! Ah!
Not fired!
Oh.
Show your hands!
299, give me Metro, she struck me. Shots fired.
Show your hands!
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
No.
299, she's fleeing.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car!
Now! Get out of the car! Shots fired! Officer hit! Show your hands!
Shots fired.
Show your hands! Show your hands!
Back up! No, back up!
Show me your hands!
Rachel Galstad, shot and killed after using her vehicle as a deadly weapon. Injured officer, sustained non-life-threatening injuries. Police response: the shooting was ruled justified. Officers acted to stop an imminent threat to life. August 2023. A call comes in. Shots fired at a Chevron gas station. When deputies arrive, they're immediately met with gunfire. The suspect, 29-year-old Kevin Ramirez, opens fire on deputies while taking cover. In the chaos, a sergeant is shot in the leg.
Hey, brother, do me a favor. Come here. Hey, stop. Foot pursuit. Fuck you. Sam 5, I'm hit. Shots fired. Sam 5, I'm hit multiple times. Said meds. Suspect down. Sam 5, that's affirmed. So you hit? Yeah, I'm hitting the leg. I don't know where else. I see. We're 5. We have deputy hit. I'm gonna cover him up. Keep lethal. Copy. Anybody else inside? This is the only suspect. Here, take the gun. Holster, Shane. Holster. Over there. Where are you hit? This leg, I don't know where else.
Kevin Ramirez, killed in a shootout with police. Injured. Sergeant, hospitalized and later recovered. Outcome: the use of lethal force was ruled lawful. The deputy's actions prevented further bloodshed.